Hey everyone, welcome to our 1961 Aston Martin restoration video where we turn parts from this into this. If you like seeing decades of corrosion and abuse taken away with a multitude of different surface finishing technologies, this video is for you. Make sure you stay tuned.
Hey guys, Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're back with part 5 of the video series for the 1961 Aston Martin. I've got a part here. As you can see, it's got some corrosion on it. We're gonna use a mixture of abrasive. It's a glass bead aluminum oxide mixture. One thing we like about this abrasive is that it's going to have just a little bit of aggression using the aluminum oxide to remove this corrosion. And then at the end, your glass bead's gonna give it a nice, beautiful finish. What it does is it prevents you from having to change out abrasives as often. It also speeds up the process of your glass bead because the aluminum oxide is going to help the glass bead push the process, and it's just not going to be too aggressive. Today we're working in the VH1000. This cabinet is stainless steel. It's got a workspace of 36 by 30 by 38. Very exceptional. It's more of your industrial line. It has the windshield wiper. It also has the best lighting, the 2-foot LED light bars in here, and the automatic overflow. Hey guys, we're back after doing the 1961 Aston Martin. This is part 5 of this series. As you can see, it's cleaned up really nicely. Even the threaded areas, you can tell that it's not damaged anything or removed any material. Stay tuned, we've got more videos coming. Another one, I think part 6 is coming up next Saturday. So please stay tuned and let us know how we can help you with your surface finishing needs, your applications. Give us a call, 828-202-5563.